Class A Barber Practical Exam Blow Dry Thermal Styling. You will have 22 minutes to complete this section. Begin by setting up your workstation. Before opening up your supplies, sanitize and clean your hands. Now begin to prepare your work area. Plug in all electrical equipment and set up your supplies. Once all supplies have been removed from the bag, dispose properly and sanitize your hands. You may now reach for your doll head and wet the hair. There will be sinks available to you during the practical examination room. Be sure to take a towel with you to avoid any spills on the floor. Dispose the towel and sanitize your hands. Before beginning the service, prep the doll head with a neck strip and a cape. You may secure the cape with a T-pin to ensure that it does not come off during the service. Now you may detangle the hair and separate one quadrant of your choice. In this demonstration, we have decided to separate the front left quadrant. You may begin to blow dry wet hair in one quadrant of your choice. You may choose the tool of your choice, a round brush, a paddle brush, a styling brush. Here we are demonstrating a flat wrap technique for pre-dry, and then round brushing mid-shaft to ends. When round brushing, dry the base of the hair first, then shift to the mid-shaft of the hair, and finally, you'll focus on the ends. You can achieve a nice smooth polish on the hair by ensuring the blow dry is tilted in the same direction that the cuticle lays. Protect the client's scalp by keeping the air from hitting directly onto the head. Once you have completed the blow dry, the next step is to test the iron for proper temperature. Use an end paper to press in between the iron to ensure that it is not too hot. If the paper turns brown, the temperature is too high and you must adjust the temperature accordingly and retest. Part the hair just above the parietal ridge and clip away the section for better control. Subsection the hair the same width and length of the rod of the tool. Hold the subsection in between your index and middle finger and glide the tool once over the subsection to soften the cuticle. Curl one subsection of hair. Start by inserting the tool in the mid shaft and feed the hair to the ends and roll up to the scalp. Be sure to protect the scalp while performing the curl by placing the comb in between the scalp and the curling iron. Release the tool and glide off the subsection of hair. The curl should hold on its own. Turn off the curling iron and unplug your hot tools. Dispose tools in your trash bag and sanitize your hands. Now you may clean up your work area and discard all supplies. Be sure to sanitize your hands each time you discard any items. Use a towel to wrap around the barrel of the curling iron in case it is still hot before discarding into the trash bag. Sanitize your hands and proceed to remove draping from the doll head. Discard and sanitize your hands. Complete the service by sanitizing your workstation.